3 of Mrs. Benson's children attend your school. Every time the school mails a letter home, she receives 3 copies. She called this morning to see if there's a way you can send just 1 letter. You can honor her request by using the Family Rep field in PowerSchool. To understand how the Family Rep field works, let's take a look at the Benson family. All 3 children attend the same elementary school. When you mail letters home to students, you select all students in PowerSchool and then send a letter to every student, which brings you back to Mrs. Benson's problem. She would prefer to receive 1 letter rather than 3. So use the Family Rep field to identify 1 child as the family representative, and only that child will receive school letters. Like most schools, Washington Elementary chooses the youngest child as the family rep because that student will be in PowerSchool the longest. So make Mrs. Benson's youngest child, Jed, the Benson family rep. First, navigate to Jed's student page. Click Modify Info. Next, check Family Rep and click Submit. Keep in mind that if you use the Family Rep field for even 1 student, you must use it for every household. Even families with only 1 child must have that child identified as the family rep. If that student has not been identified, he or she will not receive a letter. Now you want to print a school-wide letter and mailing labels. Instead of selecting all and then printing a letter for every student, search for the family reps and use that selection to print the letters. The Family Rep field is a checkbox that is either checked or clear. To find the student records that have Family Rep checked, enter the search command family_rep #. Then press Enter. Now you have a list of all the family reps at Washington Elementary. To print mailing labels for the family reps, open the Group Functions menu and select Print Mailing Labels. Open the Use this mailing label layout menu and select Family Rep Labels. Click Submit. Now 1 label will print for the Benson family rather than 3. You can also create a label addressed to all the children in a household. If Jed's name is the only name listed on the mailing label, his parents may think the letter doesn't apply to the other 2 children. So instead of using the first and last name of the family rep in the mailing label setup, address the label to all the children in the family. You can also address a form letter to all the children in the family using the same format. Mrs. Benson is very pleased that this time she only got 1 letter, and she even took the time to thank you. Remember, to use the Family Rep field, select the student. From the Student Pages menu, click Modify Info. Then check Family Rep and click Submit. Great work! You accomplished 3 things today. You reduced the amount of mail, you reduced mailing costs, and you made Mrs. Benson a happy parent.